How to do a call Skype for iPhone. Calling Skype contacts on Skype is always free, but to call a mobile phone or landline through Skype requires Skype credit or a subscription. First, in the chat zone, if you already talked with that person, you can quickly start the call on iPhone. If you do not find the person in the zone, tap on Contacts or Calls and find the person there. Tap on the person who you want to call. Now, on the top, you have two buttons, a video icon and a call icon. If you wish to start a video call, tap on the video icon. If you want to start an audio call, tap on the phone icon. So, let's tap on audio call. Now the call is in progress and we are waiting for other person to accept the request. Please note, if the person has accepted the call, you can quickly turn off on video or audio at any time of the call. You will have three buttons on the window: a microphone, camera, and an end call button. On the top, you have some interesting options. First, we have the option to put your phone on the speaker. On the bottom, this button can take a screenshot of the call. Please be careful because the screenshot will be shared in the conversation with this person. Also, on the top, you have a chat button. If you tap on this, you will be able to send a message on the chat. Let's get back to the call. Tap on the round icon that shows the call. Tap on the three dots menu from the bottom. On this menu, you can invite other people to the call. You can invite multiple persons after you have started the call. There is a share screen option. You can share the screen for the person if you need them to show something. You will see other options like turn off incoming video, turn subtitles on, start recording, and share screen. If you turn subtitles on, then Skype will try to write what the person said. This is a very good option for those who do not hear well. Also, if you wish to keep a copy of the talk with the person, you can press on Start Record. Please keep in mind that both of you will get the record, so be sure to tell the other person you record the meeting. If you wish to end the call, just tap on the End Call button. These are the main options of the call. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.